Hey, do you know what temperature actually is? Temperature tells you how hot or cold something is. We measure it in degrees Celsius, written like this, degree C. The higher the number, the warmer it is. Simple, right? Let's explore this together. This is how you read a thermometer. The red line shows the temperature. Look at the numbers on the side. Here's 20 degrees. Now count the small marks going up. 1, 2, 3, 4 marks. Each mark is 2 degrees. So 20 plus 4 times 2 equals 28 degrees Celsius. Some thermometers have marks for every single degree. Always check the spacing between the numbers. Try it yourself. Some thermometers have a mark for every single degree. Where does this thermometer read? We start at 20 degrees. Then we count the marks going up. 8 marks. Each mark is 1 degree. So 20 plus 8 equals 28 degrees Celsius. Great job! You use Celsius every day. Check this out. At 0 degrees, water freezes into ice. A comfortable room temperature is about 20 degrees. Your body is normally 37 degrees. If it's higher, you might have a fever. And water boils at 100 degrees. These are the key numbers to remember. Quick question. What's the normal body temperature? That's right, about 37 degrees Celsius. Your body stays at around 37 degrees almost all the time. If the thermometer shows above 38 degrees, you might have a fever. Time for bed and lots of water. Temperatures rise and fall. When it gets warmer, you add, that's plus. When it gets colder, you subtract, that's minus. For example, it was 15 degrees and overnight it dropped by 8 degrees. 15 minus 8 equals 7 degrees. Or it was 10 degrees and at noon it got 12 degrees warmer. 10 plus 12 equals 22 degrees. Try this one. It was 22 degrees and then it got 9 degrees colder. What's the new temperature? 22 minus 9 equals 13 degrees Celsius. The thermometer drops from 22 down to 13. See how easy that is? Where does the Celsius scale actually come from? A Swedish scientist named Anders Celsius had a brilliant idea in 1742. He wanted a scale where the two most obvious things mark the edges, ice and steam. So he decided, 0 degrees is when water freezes into ice, and 100 degrees is when it gets so hot that water turns into steam. Everything in between? Just divide it evenly. Simple, clever, and the whole world uses it today. Quiz time. At what temperature does water boil? That's right, at 100 degrees Celsius. You know when you're cooking spaghetti and the water starts bubbling? Steam rises up. The water transforms from liquid to gas. That happens at exactly 100 degrees. It's called the boiling point. Remember, at 0, water freezes to ice, at 100 it turns to steam. Last exercise. It was 18 degrees and then it got 7 degrees warmer. What's the new temperature? 18 plus 7 equals 25 degrees Celsius. The thermometer rises from 18 to 25. You've got this. Super quick recap. You can now read thermometers, count the marks, done. You know the key temperatures. 0 is ice, 37 is body, 100 is boiling water. You can calculate temperature changes, plus when it's warmer, minus when it's colder. And you know all about the Celsius scale. You're ready. This is what it looks like in the game. Temperature questions pop up. For example, you have to put temperatures in the right order, or find the temperature that falls between two others. You solve them lightning fast, and your fighter attacks. The faster and more accurate you are, the harder you hit. Build a streak and you unleash special moves. You've got everything it takes to rock the temperature mode. Reading thermometers, comparing temperatures and calculating changes, no problem for you. Now get into the game, train, fight and win. See you in the arena.